How to fix Twitter lag. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. We will talk about today how to fix this on your Twitter. Just follow me in this video till the end. So the first things that you need to do, guys, is to open your settings. Then go directly and open your apps option. So right here you will find all the application that you have already on your phone. You will search only for Twitter. Open then Twitter like this, scroll down until you found storage. Hit on storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Also you can go back and click on first stop and click again OK, and go to your battery and be sure that is on optimized mode. And what's next, go and verify on Play Store that your Twitter is updated on the last version, and then go and restart your phone, and after this your problem will be solved correctly. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. So if you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you in another video.